It's winter. And it should go without saying, if you don't want to keep sliding with every step you take, you need a pair of solid winter boots. And if you're familiar with Circus Channel, we're all about helping you get everything done on a budget. And that's where the McKinley Asgrad mid-rise hiking / trekking boots comes in. It comes shaped in this regular shoe box, nothing too fancy, nothing too extravagant. You open the box up to get the nicely packaged pair. It might be just cause I was lucky to find a good deal, but for just 50 bucks, I was pretty impressed with the build quality of these boots straight out of the bag. From the tongue area to the lacing system, it has the nice premium feel to it. Somebody would have retailed this for 200 bucks and I still would have bought it. The toe box area, nice little lug nuts for some traction. The heel counter area seems solid. The midsole area also seems solid. Uppers, the mesh material with which it was made, and the lacing system, all awesome. Just the heel loop and the sock liner and the collar, everything just screams premium. For a price of 50 bucks, guys, this is a no-brainer. And the midsole has this rugged texture to it that imitates mountains. It's just awesome. You wouldn't believe how much work is put into this for just 50 bucks. I mean, it's crazy. It combines that light gray, ash, and neon green color. Just nice little touch. I must confess though, I wasn't really impressed by the inner sole. I was expecting something more supportive. They just provided something so basic and very thin. Yeah, you get what you pay for. Lacing it didn't require much effort, and that's exactly what I like about certain shoes. Okay, enough of the blabbering. Let's hit the outdoors and see what these bad boys are made of. I'm in the middle of a weight loss journey as we speak, where I take around 1,000 steps per day. Stop procrastinating. By the way, hit that bell button to stay on the loop as to when I upload the video. And so I've been skipping out all my early morning walks, but who wouldn't do that? I mean, who's gonna want to walk in this slimy, cold, freezing condition in their pretty winter shoes? Tell me, who better fits the bill than this pair of El Cheapo boots? A pair of shoes you won't mind knocking around in all kinds of weather conditions and terrains because they're cheap. But please, in this case, don't for once mix El Cheapo for bad quality, okay? And so far, so good. They're grippy too. Not like I'm surprised a pair of winter boots are doing what they're designed to do, but But I've had other winter boots, and if I try what I just did in them, they would have had my ass slipping and falling all over the damn place. But this right here is not your everyday El Cheapo. They don't feel heavy, they don't feel lumpy like most winter boots. So I'm just gonna walk around in them, and hopefully it does a good job in keeping my feet toasty. I've been walking on water now, ice now for the past hour and a half, and so far so good. I'll leave a link to this or something similar in the description box in case you're interested. And it's Sir K signing out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.